Hello. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong new love reading para ito sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay? And para ito sa air signs na looking for new love, naghahanap ng panibagong pag-ibig. Okay? So, if you're currently in a relationship and happily together, happily living together, happily married, or in a committed relationship, and alam niyo naman na isa na rin yung love of your life. Okay? Leave this video or panoorin nyo na lang yung mga videos na na-post ko na in the past. Kasi for sure hindi naman magre-resonate to sa inyo. Okay? Because I'm trying to tap the energy of those really looking for new love at the moment. Okay, so bubunot ako ng isang card from this oracle deck that will be the overall energy ng reading ninyo. So, I'll get the fourth card. Tapos, i-interpret pa natin siya further with the tarot decks. So, fourth card. Focus on your blessings. Okay. So, sa mga naghahanap dyan ng new love at the moment, sinasabi ng universe na, sige, kalma, ibibigay ko siya sa'yo, but focus on your blessings. And kapag dumating itong person na to, is see it as a blessing. Okay? May, even if hindi walang kasiguruduhan, di ba, na may mangyari na, di ba, na hindi inaasahan. Okay? Pero treat it's still as a blessing kasi ang lahat naman ng mga na-encounter natin in our lives, whether it's romantic or platonic, may idudulot na mabuti naman yun. At I mean is na matututo ka, it will be part of your experience, and those experiences will help you in honing yourself to become a better version of yourself, a better person, di ba? So, blessing pa rin yun, di ba? So, again, ang sinasabi lang din dito is focus on your blessings, and siguro ang dagdag dito ay maging grateful ka kasi kapag nag-focus ka sa blessings mo talaga at hindi sa mga hardships or yung mga hindi magagandang bagay na nangyari sa iyo, di ba? Mas nag-shift ka into someone pessimistic, ungrateful. So, ayun, focus ka sa blessings mo at makikita mo na ang dami pala. Lalo na ito, ginawa ko siya before, yung gratitude journal, and na-realize mo na kahit yung mga simpleng bagay na may tumulong sa'yo sa pagbuhat ng mga gamit or pinaupo ka sa kuwari, kung nagko-commute kayo, pinaupo ka sa jeep, sumabit na lang yung person, ganyan. So, yung mga gano'n na, ay, ang dami ko palang blessing. So, pag naging practice mo yung pagiging grateful or pag-focus sa mga blessings mo, makikita mo na ay yung mga tao sa paligid mo are blessings. And isa doon is ma-attract sa energy mo, and malay mo, yun na yung person na inaasam-asam mo at pinapangarap mo. And makikita din naman yan ng universe. At kapag nakita na ng universe na grateful yung isang tao, mas ibibigay niya yung mga mini-manifest niya. Diba? It's normal din naman. Like, tayo as a person. Diba? Kung ikaw may kaibigan ka or kakilala ka, tapos tinulungan mo or binigyan mo ng mga kung ano-ano, diba? Like, pinagluto mo or ganyan. Tapos, di ba pag grateful yung tao na binibigyan mo, kunwari, yung tao na pinagluto mo, very grateful siya sa niluluto mo. Di ba mas naiengganyo ka pang magluto? Di ba? Or magbigay ng mas marami dun sa person na yun. Kasi alam niya na na-appreciate niya yung mga blessings from you. Di ba? And if it's the other way around, di ba? Kapag ingrata yung taong tinulungan mo or binigyan mo, di ba parang, ay, hindi ko na uulitin, bahala ka sa buhay mo. May ganun, di ba? I mean, it's quite normal for you to feel that na, ay, hindi naman siya grateful. Parang, ay, hindi naman niya na-appreciate. Ay, hindi mo lang nagpasalamat na tinulungan. Di ba parang, um, well, as a very kind and person, di ba? You will still willingly do it. Pero kung may pagpipilian ka na tutulungan or bibigyan, yung grateful o yung ungrateful, di kung nga sabay sila na kailangan nila ng tulong. Di ba? Mas tutulungan mo yung someone who's very grateful. So, ganun din. If you're a grateful person and you focus on your blessings rather than yung sa mga unfortunate events in your life, di ba? Mas makikita din yung universe and bibigyan ka pa ng mas maraming blessings. Okay? So, sige, tingnan natin yung detalye ng reading ngayon. Okay. And gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. It's growing and please continue to support by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba lalo na kung mag-resonate ng reading. At sa mga bago, please do subscribe para updated kayo sa mga ipapost ko pang videos. Okay, sana talaga mag-grow itong channel to dahil gusto ko rin naman talagang gumagawa ng readings para sa inyo. So, para magtuloy-tuloy din siya. Diba? Ayan. So, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. Okay? And interpret natin siya and clarify further with the other deck kung may mga i-clarify na cards. Okay. So, same 8 cards. The 4th card yung ilalagay ko dahil April ngayon. First card, 6 of Wands. Second card, 10 of Swords. Three of Coins. The Tower. Okay, 6 of Swords. Okay, 9 of Coins. Ace of Swords. And last. 2 of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Cups. You can see coming. Okay. Okay. So you might be dealing with an Aries. Okay. And doesn't have to, yun na yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So, pero check nyo pa rin yung Moon, Venus, and Rising placements ng person ninyo. Baka Aries siya doon sa mga placements na yun. Okay, so this new love coming, I can see here that itong person na to has recovered from a failed relationship. So, and I can see here na itong person na to with the 6 of Wands, 10 of Swords, and 3 of Coins, na this is the 6 of Wands is a card of victory, like, and alam niyang naka-recover na rin siya from the past heartache. Galing siya sa isang hindi okay na relationship. Something na toxic, something na sobrang daming gulo, chaotic. And ayun, nung nakilala ka niya is this person, he or she wants to really collaborate with you. Meron, alam mo yun, meron nga lalo na with the Six of Wands here, alam mo yun, feeling ko kilala mo na siya. Possible na nakakatrabaho mo to, or if you're still studying, pwedeng classmate mo siya, or groupmate, or pwedeng co-worker, ito, or kaibigan, that you have this energy of teamwork. What I mean is you support each other on things na you do on a daily basis. And I think na ang nasasagap ko energy dito is na-develop din tong tao na to sa'yo. Maybe because dahil lagi kayo nagkikita, nagkakasama, and yun nga, possible na parang ang nakikita ko dito is tinatansya din yung person na to, yung feelings niya towards you, kasi parang kagagaling lang nito from the sa past relationship. Possible nga nakaka-break lang, kakahiwalay lang nila nung ex niya, and nakikita ko dito na ayaw niya maging unfair din naman sa'yo, na parang i-pursue niya agad yon na hindi pa siya healed. Pero nakikita ko dito na gusto niya na i-pursue ka, gusto niya na mas magkaroon pa kayo ng chance to know each other. Kasi the Six of Wands and Three of Coins medyo similar energy niya. Teamwork, collaboration, and yung supporting each other ba na energy. So, nakikita ko talaga dito na itong tao na to is someone na kilala mo na rin. Okay? And, yeah, there's a tower moment as to naman medyo similar energy. There was an ending na nagkaroon ng failed relationship. That's why there's a sudden shift. And that shift is actually, piling ko nung nakilala ka nito, parang mas nakita niyo na, ito yung person din talaga na mas gusto kong makasama. And hindi yung ex niya na nagdulot lang ng mga heartache, heartbreak, and that shift is nung nakita nga niya na ikaw, maybe your personality, and so this new person will shift to yung emotion ba, yung na ayoko na talaga, kasi di ba parang dito ayaw niyang, sinabi ko kanina na parang ayaw niyang maging unfair din sa'yo kasi kakagaling lang niya sa breakup. But itong person na to is now willing to let go with the Six of Swords here, to let go of the past talaga and move on, heal, and now start something new. And that something new is the relationship na gusto niya i-pursue with you. Okay, especially here with the Nine of Coins. Nine of Coins is a card of freedom and independence, freedom from the past. Again, this reading is about your new love or new person, okay? So, itong person ninyo is, gusto na rin niyang lumaya and maging, magkaroon ng, alam mo yun, hindi na siya nakatali din sa nakaraan. So, that's why here, there will be an initiation with the Ace of Swords. And Ace of Swords is a new start, clarity, mental clarity, meaning clear na sa utak niya na, okay, tama na, past is past, nasaktan ako doon, pero I have to move on. And now, nakilala ka niya, I know that I have to be true to myself. So, Ace of Swords is also card of truth, and magkaroon ng initiation dahil with the Two of Cups, gusto niya ng relationship and connection sa'yo dahil very attracted siya sa'yo. Not just physically, but also emotionally, and yung energy mo and yung sa kanya is really attracted din to each other. And what you don't see coming is the Queen of Cups, which is very nurturing and loving energy. So full of devotion when it comes to you. So yon yung person na paparating. Pero tingnan natin, ano ba yung bakit nasaktan siya in the past? Ano ba nangyari sa kanya? At ano yung shift na yan na pinapakita dito? So, okay. So, clarify lang natin this cards. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko lang i-remind again ng lahat that this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Just take whatever resonates first. Kapag wala talaga, just leave it. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa din ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang mga tarot readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? So, ayan. Clarify natin itong Ten of Swords nangyari in the past. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Sorry. So, si Ace of Pentacles as the... Okay. Yung... Yeah, from the recent past, the Ace of Pentacles with the Three of Coins is itong person na to wants security. Security in a relationship na yun yung reason for failure in the past. Hindi secure yung relationship. Okay? Hindi fully invested yung person niya in the past. So now, yun yung gusto niyang magkaroon sa panibagong relationship niya, which is towards you sana. So parang ang nasa isip din niya, sana ito yung relationship na may potential, okay, dahil gusto niya na secure relationship and willing naman siya talaga mag-invest para sa'yo. And isa pa, tingnan natin yung Tower naman. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, there's a shift na na parang nakikita ko dito na this person is acknowledging din yung nangyari in the past and parang hiyaan na lang niya. Alam niya na eventually magiging okay din ng lahat na when it comes to karma, people, itong person na to believes in karma and alam niya na yung nangyari sa kanya in the past with that person is, ayun, good karma, bad karma is something na babalik at babalik din sa tao. Okay, so, let's see naman itong Nine of Coins. Okay, yeah. At the moment, okay, so, diba, free na siya and all. So, itong person to is also processing his or her emotions or yung mga nangyari. And this person, because the Hermit is also about self-growth and alam na nga niya yung mga gusto niyang mangyari sa relationship and nakikita niya yun sa'yo. That's why this person will initiate the conversation or will really take the move. And yeah, tingnan mo, nag-tower moment ulit. Nag-double confirm yung tower moment. So this is a shift sa kanyang perspective. Then, okay, tama na. Past is past. A failed relationship was already a failed relationship. But this person is looking forward for something new with you. Saka yung hidden energy na hindi mo din nakikita, na baka itong person na to parang pag nakilala mo or kilala mo na nga siya, you're collaborating with this person, parang wala naman, parang platonic lang naman, pero here is the hidden card which is you don't see it, but that's the energy of between you and your person. There's a nurturing and loving energy itong person na to towards you. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa akin channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!